Hey everyone. So there's a little bit of talk about how people's electricity bills are going up and they associate it with data centers being put in. And yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Data centers use a ton of electricity, use a lot of water too. They have a pretty big footprint typically as well. And if you're not familiar with what a data center is, it's like typically it's a compound with like buildings, and in those buildings, a bunch of computers and servers that facilitate some form of a need. Like I worked not at a data center. I went and fixed like a pump for one. It was just I can't remember what it was. It was a pump for getting rid of like stormwater overflow or something like that. But it was amazing because they had like secondary and tertiary backups to everything and generators, and they had power coming from two different companies coming in. And so yeah, data center, that one was like Target's data center for transactions, processing transactions when you like go to buy something at Target. Um, but yeah, there's data centers for that. There's data centers for like the cloud, interconnected ones just for like general storage, like digital storage, obviously. And AI is a big one. It's a big push for AI. Everyone wants AI so they can generate images and text and, I don't know, pontificate about the next AI revolution and how it's going to be the best and it's going to solve all our problems, like electricity costing more. Um, and then, yeah, so prices are going up. Why? Usually because of the way that electricity is like computed, like the cost of electricity is computed for these electrical companies. It's actually pretty interesting and unique how they have to like work with municipalities and states and stuff like that. They don't like work with them. I guess that's kind of like a bad way to phrase it, but anyways, look into it. It's pretty cool. I'll post a link in the description about like a general overview, just kind of like article talking about the increased cost of electricity due to data centers. But it makes sense. They're resource hungry infrastructure, I guess you could call it. So, are they critical? I It depends. I mean, is generating an image using AI prompts, like word to text to image prompts, is that critical? Well, I don't think so. But some stuff could be critical, like financial transactions. I could argue, I could see the argument around that that's an important, uh, you know, utility to be facilitated. I don't know, bigger words on bigger words. So, all right, well, let me know what you think. I mean, I don't know. I think it's dumb.